how to enable Instagram dark mode. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram application on your device. After opening up, you will be able to see the home page of Instagram. So in order to enable the dark mode, the first step is you need to tap on the profile icon in the right bottom corner. And from over here you have to go for 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and here you have to go for settings and privacy options. You'll be able to see the various settings. Among them you have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see accessibility options, so you have to tap on that. And in the second option there is a dark mode option, simply tap on that. There are 3 options: on, off and systemic default. Since we are trying to enable dark mode, you have to go for on, and after turning on you can see it has been enabled. So by following this simple step you can enable Instagram dark mode. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.